Do you know what happens inside your body when you smoke daily? Inside the human body, everything begins with a breath. Healthy lungs expand softly, moving air with ease, until smoke enters, coating the air sacs, tightening the airways, and making every breath feel heavier than before. The heart beats with perfect rhythm, sending blood through clean vessels. But smoking slowly narrows those arteries, reducing the flow and forcing the heart to work much harder to keep the body alive. The brain depends on steady oxygen, keeping thoughts sharp and reactions quick. Smoke disrupts this flow, constricting vessels and lowering the brain's energy, clarity, and focus. Inside the mouth, bright teeth and firm gums begin to fade. Smoke stains the enamel, weakens the gums, and irritates the tissues that keep the mouth healthy. The throat, smooth and clear, becomes inflamed as smoke passes through it again and again, leaving irritation that grows over time. Even the nose is affected. Its delicate lining becomes swollen, and the nerves responsible for smell slowly weaken with repeated exposure to smoke. On the outside, healthy skin begins to dull. Collagen breaks down faster, causing early wrinkles and a tired appearance that becomes hard to hide. The eyes, bright and clear, start to redden and dry out. Smoke irritates the surface and stresses the tiny vessels that keep vision comfortable. Deep in the stomach, the lining reacts to the chemicals in smoke, becoming more sensitive and easily irritated. The liver, constantly cleaning the bloodstream, becomes overloaded with toxins, struggling to maintain its normal strength and balance. The kidneys filter non-stop, but smoke pushes harmful chemicals through them, weakening their filtration power and placing extra stress on their structure. Blood vessels across the body lose their flexibility. Smoking stiffens and narrows them, slowing down circulation and reducing the oxygen that reaches vital organs. And even the reproductive organs feel the impact. Reduced blood flow weakens their natural function, slowly lowering vitality over time. This is how smoking affects the body, quietly, deeply, and from every angle, long before the damage becomes visible on the outside.